こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? From here, we're gonna begin JLPT 日本語能力試験 N4. So this is number 1 of the grammar N4. Actually, the last part of the videos of grammar video till 135 that I made about JLPT N5, these are quite the level mixed up with level 4. Anyway, to study languages, any language, the base is very important. So little by little. So if you don't understand something, then you can go back to the level 5. I'm going to explain these grammars based on this Minna no Nihongo, the blue one, the second book. The grammar order is according to this book. But anyway, I'm using more books. Today we're going to learn this pattern. 普通形, this means the casual form 普通形 and んです. We Japanese people use this expression so much, so it's very important that you know them. English translation would be like this. It's because like this, you know? But actually, in many cases, we don't translate this. We can use this expression des in 3 cases. The first case, des, to explain something or to explain some facts. Because I think you might misunderstand it, or I think you don't know it well. So I'm going to explain it. In this case, I'm going to use des. The second case is to explain you or to give you a reason. It's because, in this case, we use the des. The third case is to emphasize something. How to form this expression? It's very important that we're going to use 普通形, the plain form. If you don't remember well about 普通形, you can watch my grammar video number 94, but of the JLPT N5. Let's see at first the verbs. Do you remember? This is affirmative and negative, and present and past. The first, the verb, します to do. So, in this case, I do, you know, or I don't know, you know. It's because I did it. Oh, it's because I didn't do it. するんです。しないんです。したんです。しなかったんです。Now with E adjective. 楽しい. It means amusing. So we're gonna make sentences like this. Oh, it's amusing, you know? It wasn't amusing, you know? It was amusing, you know? It's because it wasn't amusing. 楽しいんです。楽しくないんです。楽しかったんです。楽しくなかったんです。Now with な adjective. But in this case, you must be careful because the finish is きれいだ. But this だ changes to な. This is important. な adjective きれい. This is きれい. It ends with E. So many people think this is E adjective. But be careful. This is exception. This is な adjective. And the meaning of きれい or きれいな, this means beautiful or also clean. So it means, oh, she was beautiful, you know? You know, she wasn't beautiful. Oh, yeah, she was beautiful, you know? Oh, it's because she wasn't beautiful. きれいなんです。きれいなんです。きれいじゃないんです。きれいだったんです。きれいじゃなかったんです。Now the last one with the nouns. In the case of nouns, it's just as the same as in な adjective. This affirmative and the present tense, 本だ, for example. we finish with da, but this da must change to na. So da, we're gonna use na. So let's practice with this noun. Hon, the book. So it means it's a book, you know. It is the book, you know. It was a book, you know. Oh, it's because it wasn't a book. 本なんです。本なんです。本じゃないんです。本だったんです。本じゃなかったんです。This is the base that we're going to study now. But if you want to change to more casual way, we can change to da. Da. It means, for example, the book. 本なんです。Normal and casual way. 本なんだ。本なんだ。Instead of this. And if I want to change to more polite, then なのです。本なのです。本なのです。Anyway, these three mean the same. This is the standard way. Da, this is casual way. So among families and friends. 本なのです。のです。This is more polite. Let's see the difference of this or です。漢字 is difficult. 漢字は難しいです。漢字は難しいです。In this case, I'm only telling 漢字 is difficult. This is a fact. But I'm gonna use now です。The same sentence. 漢字は難しいんです。漢字は難しいんです。In this case, this expresses more personal feeling. It means, you know, kanji is difficult. Maybe you don't know it, but yeah, you know, kanji is very difficult for me. So it's not stating a fact, but this is more personal, and I'm emphasizing, kanji is difficult. So this is my feeling, my personal feeling. Today I'll be absent from school, or I skip the school because I've got corona. 今日学校を休みます。今日学校を休みます。コロナなんです。コロナなんです。今日学校を休みます。コロナなんです。I'm going to bed now. It's because I don't feel very well. I feel good, or I feel well, or I feel bad. We say 気分がいい。気分が悪い。We're gonna use this いい but in the negative way. It means 気分がいい I feel good. 気分が良くない I don't feel good. I don't feel well. 気分が良かった Oh, it was okay. I felt good. 気分が良くなかった I didn't feel good. もう寝ます。もう寝ます。気分が良くないんです。もう寝ます。気分が良くないんです。Why don't we go to Disneyland? I don't have money, you know. I've got money. お金があります。I don't have money. お金がありません。But now we must use plain form. Plain form of the verb あります。This is ある present and affirmative ある。And present negative ない。ない。In this case, we're going to use this one ない。And the past tense あった。And the past tense but negative form なかった。ディズニーランドへディズニーランドに行きませんか？ディズニーランドに行きませんか？お金が ないんです。ディズニーランドに行きませんか？あ、お金がないんです。Can you work overtime today? Oh, sorry. I've got something to do. Overtime work, we say 残業, 残業. This kanji 残, it comes from 残ります. 残ります, it means something stays still here. This is 残ります. And 業, this is work. So the work that stays still here. But we say 残業 as overtime work. 今日、残業ができますか？今日残業ができますか？すみません。用事があるんです。用事があるんです。今日残業ができますか？すみません。用事があるんです。Can I smoke? Oh, sorry. It's prohibited to smoke here. No smoking or smoking is forbidden. 禁煙、禁煙。This kanji 禁 is 禁じます。To forbid something or to prohibit something. 禁。煙 this is smoke. So the smoke is forbidden. 禁煙。タバコを吸ってもいいですか？タバコを吸ってもいいですか？すみません。禁煙なんです。禁煙なんです。タバコ吸ってもいいですか？すみません。ここは禁煙なんです。I didn't do the laundry last week. It's because it was raining without interruption. 先週、洗濯しませんでした。先週、洗濯しませんでした。ずっと雨だったんです。ずっと雨だったんです。先週、洗濯しませんでした。ずっと雨だったんです。How about some wine? Oh, would you like some wine? Oh, sorry. I must drive, you know. Very useful expression to offer something. Something はどうですか？ or something はいかがですか？ In this case, ワインはどうですか？ or ワインはどう？ This is very casual way. And more respectful way, ワインはいかがですか？ How about some wine? Would you like some wine? ワインはいかがですか？すみません。運転しなければならないんです。ワインはいかがですか？すみません。運転しなければならないんです。I know her very well. It's because we went to the same school. 彼女 is she. And if I say 彼女のことのこと、it means she and the things that related to her. So, about her. 彼女のこと。The verb 知ります。This is very peculiar one. When we say 知ります, it means I'm gonna know or I'm gonna know, but in the future. But 知りません, it means I don't know. Okay, I don't know now. And if I wanna say I know it, then we must use 手 form and います。知っています。Yeah, I know it. 知っています。The verb 通います。It means to go somewhere very frequently. To go somewhere very, very often. 通います。So we can say 学校に通います。Because it means I go to school every day. This is like a habit. And also we can say 病院に通います。For example, some grandmother goes to the hospital nearly every day. So 病院に通います like this. 行きます to go. Also to go, but 行きます it can be only once. And 行きます to go. But 通います to go quite often. Maybe you don't know this word. 同じ it means the same. 同じ。彼女のことをよく知っていますよ。彼女のことをよく知っていますよ。同じ学校に通っていました。通っていたんです。彼女のことをよく知っていますよ。同じ学校に通っていたんです。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目 I don't buy any cake today. It's because I'm going on a diet. 2番目 Excuse me, can I go home now? It's because I've got a headache, you know. 3番目最後です。Can I open the window? It's because it's hot, you know. Today we learned the first video of this, but I'm gonna continue the second part and the third part. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. Because like this, you can learn Japanese little by little and your level is going up. If you can share my videos with your friends, that can be a great help for me, please. いかがでしたか？今日から4級です。この4級の文法の1番目のビデオでした。今日はですを勉強しました。もっと詳しく説明したいので、今回はパート1です。そしてこれからも2番目、3番目と続けていきたいと思っています。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語を少しずつレベルアップしながら詳しく説明していっています。このビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても嬉しいです。ではまた次のビデオもぜひ見に来てくださいね。待ってます。じゃあね。